A very good evening to all of you. So today's lecture is going to be on the topic central banking functions of the RBI. Basically, we need to find out कि acting as a central bank of the India, how this institution named as Reserve Bank of India takes the responsibility for overall economic development of the country. And for that reason only, we can say that it acts as a central bank of India and these are its functions. First could be that, which is very popular also, that RBI acts as a note issuing agency, which has been talked about under section 22. It is also known as Bankers Bank. That is, when it comes to be known as a Bankers Bank, we can say that it acts as a bank for rest of the banks, right? It acts as a clearing house. Next, we can also say that it acts as a controller of credit. Basically, it regulates the money supply, जिसके अंदर हम बात करते हैं इसके रीफाइनेंस ऑपरेशंस की, जो अभी हम थोड़ी देर के बाद ही डिस्कस करेंगे. फिर आ जाता है इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ बैंकर टू द गवर्नमेंट, यानी कि स्टेट एज वेल एज द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लिए बैंकर काम करते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ लेंडर ऑफ द लास्ट रिजॉर्ट, यानी ये आखिर में या हमारे फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के समय पे, बैंक्स की फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के समय पे फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इट ऑल्सो मैनेजेस एक्सचेंज रेट्स. And last is it also manages price stability. Now let's have a quick overview over the list of the central banking functions of the RBI as provided under the RBI Act 1934. First is it has the obligation, the bank has the obligation to transact the government business and has been provided under section 20. The bank also has the right to transact government business in India, section 21. This bank needs to transact government business of states on agreement under section 21 capital A. Effect of such agreements 21B. Right to issue bank notes section 22. Issue department section 23. Denomination of notes section 24. Form of bank notes 25. Legal tender character of notes section 26. Certain bank notes to cease to be legal tender section 26 capital A. Reissue of notes under section 27. Recovery of notes जो कि लॉस्ट हो चुके हों, स्टोलन हो, म्यूटिलेटेड हो या इम्परफेक्ट हो under section 28. Issue of a special bank note section 28 capital A plus special 1 rupee coin as well. Bank exempt from a stamp duty on bank notes section 29. Powers of central government to supersede central board section 30. Issue of demand bills and notes under section 31. Assets and liabilities of issue department 33 and 34. Suspension of assets requirement as to foreign security section 37. Obligation of government and the bank in respect of rupee 1 coin section 38. Obligations to supply different forms of currency section 39. Transactions in foreign exchange section 40. Cash reserves of scheduled banks to be kept with the bank section 42. Publication of consolidated statement by the bank section 43. And also the protection of action taken in good faith section 43 capital A. Lastly, the appointment of agents under section 45. So these have been the various tasks which have been assigned to the Central Bank of India, that is the Reserve Bank of India, to do, and it has been provided under these many sections.